officially. But Igboho ń ṣàlàyé fún wa what led to him coming out to say, no, this cannot happen on my doorstep. Go possible. Just like I have come out using my media, even though this media have struggled. I'm recording, but I appreciate Yoruba Space TV, Mori Ojasokwe, and the rest of every one of you. You are more than welcome, and we will take calls at some point, but let's just continue the broadcast. Thank you so much. Oh, somebody just gave me something like a heart. Mudupe, thank you very much for all the gift. My platform that many of you have now attacked, complain, report, monetary-wise, maybe some of you does not know. Let me quickly put this on record. 52,000 followers on YouTube. Lai Mohammed under Buhari report